Yo, you guys want to go get pizza? I'm down. Shut up, Jeff. I wasn't talking to you.
I'm down.
Hey babe, you up yet?
Hey baby, yeah, I woke up like 10 minutes ago.
Then where the is my good morning text?
Whoa. That was legit.
Yeah, it was. So we checked your Twitter to see if you're the type of employee we would hire.
Okay. Do you recall tweeting, "I eat my girl ass because I love it"? Hey mom, what are we having for dinner?
Steak, corn, and a side of...
Pause.
No. A side of...
Pause.
Today, class, we're gonna talk about how Sharon's pullout game this week. Damn, bitch, keep your mouth shut.
I eat Cheerios because they're heart healthy, and my heart has been severely damaged. So John, if you're out there...
The bathroom's right in here.
I placed a secret hidden camera in the bathroom to catch Akmal with his pants down.
Why is there a guy in here?
Alright guys, we need new Snapchat filter ideas. Come on, what do we got? Sparkly, glittery lion face.
I'd like to raise a toast to my father. As we all know, he's a very busy man, so he can't be here today, but I love you, Daddy.
This is bullshit. I was winning too. Man.
I'll get the chicken sandwich. And don't you guys do like a special sauce here? Yup. Okay, I'm gonna not get that.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
Yo, what up, Tom? You hetero bitch.
Hey man, what's up, man?
You touch any boobs lately? You straight fuck.
Why are y'all fucking in the middle of the hallway, nigga? Let me get to my class.
Okay, senior trip. Where do you guys want to go? The Bahamas. I don't know about that. Let's go to hell. No.
Last one there's a rotten egg.
First one there is gonna lose their soul.
Wait, nah, what the hell?
Spencer Jordan Johnson, put down your iPhone 6 Plus right now and eat your quinoa.
Hey, you wanna watch Spider-Man 2? I can't. I haven't seen the first one.
Today I will be playing Mozart's Symphony No. 40 in G minor. Oh my god.
Dude, I've heard rumors that these stairs are like haunted. Apparently some girl died here when she was like 9 or something.
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
Follow that car. Is he gonna follow me back?
No, I don't think so.
Then no!
Look, it's a snake charmer. Hey, yo, snake. You cute as hell. Stop.
What have you been doing in there? It's been 40 minutes.
I'm wiping.
That awkward moment when you're scrolling through someone's old Instagram photos and you accidentally comment the entire Declaration of Independence.
Oh my god, I love this song.
I never heard it.
You've never heard it? Have you been living under a rock? This is the best song of our generation.
I'm really into dubstep. There's this one that goes do 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 do.
I'm kind of nervous to ask Stacy out. Come on, dude, grow a pair.
Oh my god.
That's what you wanted!
Hey, what y'all get for number 12?
I got 18.
I got 9.5.
I got Abraham Lincoln. For some reason, I don't.
You used to call me on my iPhone, rose gold 6S plus 64 gigabytes.
What's up, babe? What? You look great. Are you in your room?
Well, of course I am.
Hey, Meech, can I copy your work? Go ahead. Well, I appreciate it. What does this say? Shit, I don't know either.
Dad, there's a monster under my bed.
Tommy, there's no such thing as...
Long dick style.
Okay, we're moving.
Yo, let's get a little bit wild, a little bit old school. Let's go.
Dad? Is this where you've been for the past 10 years? Dad, no!
Good credit, bad credit, no problem. Or you dead? Fuck it, ghost credit. I'm gonna get a Subaru.
What's up? It's Ryan. I'm 24. I'm just looking for a girl that I can laugh with. Do you know what I mean?
Boom.
What the fuck? Oh, excuse my language, baby. Oh, bitch, it's alright. I be cussing all the motherfucking time.
Dad, how did you and Mom meet? We was in school and we bumped into each other. Her bugs fell. And I seen that ass. I was like, damn, bitch. Ooh, my boy going to school. Fuck it up, Kenneth. Kenneth, fuck it up. Fuck it up, Kenneth.
Not to be racist or anything, but I love goat cheese. That's not even racist.
Well, I said I wasn't being racist.
Elevator? Looks more like a wall to me. Hi, my name's Drew. Today I want to talk to you guys about abortion.
Are you Merida?
No. We'll pay for a picture.
If you had the chance to change your fate.
Why you don't ever leave the house? Well, can I go out with my friends tonight? No, fuck, no.
Mom, guess what? Yeet. Fuck did you just do? Yeet. Tell me what the fuck you just did before you get your ass beat, nigga.
Chill, B. Bro, you good?
There was a kidnapping at school. What? There was a kidnapping at school? Whoa, it's okay. He woke up.
Sir, you can't go in there. I don't think I've introduced you to my friend, George. If you think $1 is gonna change my... Come on in.
Do you, perchance, have a tumbler? How could you tell?
If I want to wear this 3 times a week, then I can, because it's a shirt, not a tampon, and I own a washing machine.
Dad, can you drive me to the movies? Why can't you be more like your friend Kevin? Dad, Kevin went missing yesterday.
And not to mention, Grandma, what a big nose you have.
Okay.
Save some air for me. Goddamn, Grandma.
Hey, son, I heard someone got an A.
Oh, what's in here? Oh,
Good job, buddy.
oh.
I hate you.
You guys want to hear something scary? Yeah? My grades. Y'all fucking...
No.
When we go in this restaurant, you are 12. Mom, I am 18! And would you like a kids menu?
Yes, I do.
Never have I ever been an Asian named Emily. I kind of feel like that's targeting me a little bit.
This is my favorite shirt. We have so much in common. We even have the same nemesis, Jeff Daniels.
First.
Congratulations, you guys. You've delivered a healthy baby girl. Would you like to hold her? Yeah, of course. Yeet!
Aw, dude, it smells like Updog in here. Wait, what's Updog? That?
Welcome to my meet or greet, motherfucker. You gotta choose. Hello. That's it. But you made your choice. You a McFlurry?
Flurry machine, bro.
Just a water.
Water machine, bro.
8-piece nugget.
8-piece nugget machine, bro.
Where's your manager?
Manager machine, bro, too.
Hey!
I never fucked Wayne, never fucked Drake on my life.
Is this a video? Yeah, it is. I got you.
Hey, is Wendy working today? Dude, I think we're at Taco Bell.
What? How?
You need help.
No new friends.
I'ma call 911. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Happy Father's Day. Got no fucking kid.
Pull that game strong, bitch.
Okay, Meech, it's your turn to read. What page we on? Nigga, that's not even the book we read. And what is...
What a beautiful day. Hi. Oh, God. Why?
You wanna go to the party?
I don't know. Let's go to Mark, who's on the scene. Mark, it's fucking lit, Steve.
I want to be just like you when I grow up. I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Look, a long-necked dinosaur. Look, a fat-nosed human.
Hey, come on, man.
It don't feel good, do it. Call me Kevin. That's my...
It was the cutest thing. He had the whole place rented out, and during dessert, he got down on one knee, and he said, "Living life like a vacation."
Psst, I can see your bra straps.
Huh?
Oh my God! They're so ugly! What do I do?
This message will now self-destruct. This sandwich will now self-destruct. Your baby will now self-destruct.
I can't believe my wife is missing. Out on the search party, past the bar Cardi. Boy, I'm too tight.
It's like we finish each other's...
Satan will rise!
I've heard the piano version of This Is Gospel more times than I've heard my own father's voice.
People focus way too much on outer beauty. You wanna know what really matters? How much money you have.
Anybody in here own a white Explorer? That's me. You left your lights on. Hey!
Sorry, you got an F on the test. Is it changed now? What the hell? No, it's the same thing.
What's wrong? My guinea pig died. I'm sorry. Let me buy you a drink. Thanks, man. Okay.
This just in, folks. I'm now getting reports that Devin is still gay. Let's go to Devin, who's on the scene. Not fucking gay!
Wow, that is so pretty.
That's what you think is pretty?
Well, yeah, don't you? Am I pretty yet?
So how was the pasta? Oh, it was great. Send my compliments to the chef. All right. Hey, chef. Yeah. You have beautiful eyes.
Okay, truth or dare? Truth. Who do you have a crush on? Oh my God. Seriously, guys, can you be quiet? I have a soccer game tomorrow.
Hey, Sarah.
Yes, Brad?
You're cute.
Fuck!
Alright, what do we got? Dog's face. Yes. Makeup that sparkles. Good, good. Something where your mouth can be your fucking eyes. Fuck yes.
Hey, what happened while I was gone? Boy, Susie had 3 kids, right? How? I was gone for a day. She been fucking.
Okay, happy campers, if you were a fruit, what would you be?
I'd be a tomato because no one accepts me as part of the group.
Very creative. Who's that?
Stop repeating me!
Stop repeating me!
Mama!